Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. My name is Noman and you're watching Stay with Nomi. So in this video, I will teach you how you create your portfolio website in WordPress with the help of Elementor. So subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get a new video notification. So without wasting further ado, let's begin. Open your WordPress dashboard. After that, click on Appearance, click on Theme. Now you can see click on Add New Theme. Just click on Upload Theme and choose your file and select your theme. Click on Open. Now click on Install Now. So if you want to download this theme, you can just go to my comment section. I will give you a link in my pin comment. You can download it from there. Click on Activate. So now you can see being installing plugin. Just click on it. Now we need to install all plugin. Just select all and click on bulk action, install and click on apply. Now all the plugin installed successfully. Just click on return to required plugin installer. Now we need to activate all the plugin. Just click on activate and click on apply. So now you can see all plugin are successfully activated. Just click on dashboard. So now we need to click on appearance and click on import demo data. Now you can see our theme here. Just click on import demo data. Now click on continue and import. Wait a while until your theme is installing successfully. Subscribe my channel and you will get an amazing tutorial on my channel. Now click on here, you can see import complete successfully. Now click on visit site. So now you can see a portfolio website here. Now this is a home page and now you can scroll down and here you can see about us, experience, and now here you can see projects. You can add your project here like your portfolios. Now scroll down. Here is your education and click on download resume. You can attach your resume here. Now scroll down and now here you can see your client testimonials here. Scroll down, here you can see, here you can add your partners. Scroll down, here you can use your blog. Scroll down and here you can see, so here you can see your contact us section. So you can add your address here, number and your email here, and now you can add your content here, and now you can add up your contact email with this form. So now we need to edit this section. You can just click on edit with Elementor. Here you can see all the pages here. Just so you want to edit your home page, this one you can just click. So if you want to edit this home section, you can just over this edit the Elementor, and now you can see home. You can just right click on that and you can click on open link in a new tab. So now just skip this, and now you can see your home page here, right? Just open this section. Now you can attach your video here. Just click on it, right? You can paste your link here, video link here, and you can add your YouTube link here. Just click on YouTube and you can paste your introduction video here. Just paste a link here. Now you add a product designer, or if you are a web designer, you can just add your slug here, and now you can add your name here. Now you can add the name here. You can see HTML here, you can see HTML tag here. So if you want to add your name here, you can just, here you can see Gilbert, just uh, remove this, and now you can add here. Just I use my name Noman, and you can also edit your text area here. You can just paste your text here. Just go to the text and paste here, right? Or if you want to add your picture in the background, you can just go to the style, and now you can see here, just choose your image here, right? Upload your image, select file, upload your image and select it, right? You can, your image is installed in this background, right? So you can just also responsive this, you can just click on it. It's so always responsive. You can adjust the alignment here, just click on it, and now you can see this align attached in this line, the video, and just go to just add a padding here. I just add a 50, and you can also same padding with this slug. Just add a 50 and also a name 50 and a design text here, add 50. You can see, and just click on publish. Now go to the responsive, and now you can see this is always responsive. Just remove the space here, padding here, just click on it and remove the padding here. So this is always responsive here. Just click on publish, right? Preview this page, and here you can see you can also add your image here. So if you want to add it another section, just close this tab, and now you want to edit your experience, just click on it and go to the about section, and now you can edit your about us here. So now you can add your experience. Here you can see experience 9. I just use add, right? And add your experience here, and now click on adding. You can change your heading, change your tags, and always change your percentage of the slugs. Here you can see web design. You can just always maximize this 100%. This is the same way. You can edit and just click on publish, right? The all the pages, all the project, education, testimonial, partner, blog at contact, you can always just click on it and just open it in the new tab and edit it, right? This is the same way. You can just edit your website. If you want to download this theme, I will give you a link of this theme in the pin comment. You can download it here, right? And okay, so this is the video. I hope you like it. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get a new video notification. We will meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.